killed somebody. That.
17 hours later, Florida boys
Man, it looks small.
are here.
I feel great. It's important for the driver to sleep. For reaction time. Unplug that.
Okay.
And then plug it back in. Same way.
So this is Jose Bello, the JB of JBR. What are you thinking about that pass?
Sucked.
Give me a rundown. What happened?
The track wasn't sticky enough, and we had too much power in second gear in the tune. Kind of blew it there.
And Jayson next to Rob, both red light.
Both red light, two red light. That was funny. Jayson treated him, but red.
And then Jayson ran through.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick him up now. Well, he didn't get into the sand. He went past the closed road.
Okay. First time at this track, so it's new to everyone, I guess.
We both like, yo, the guy was mad. We both pulled the chute, but the guy got stuck in between us, so he didn't know where to go. So Jay didn't want to hit him, and I couldn't turn in because he was there past him. So we was like this, looking at each other the whole time. He's like this. No, he's like this. I think.
That guy up. Not that they were looking at each other, right?
We did look at each other.
That's the way we look at it. Not that they were looking at each other. They didn't see the guy standing in the middle of the road.
No, I saw. That was funny.
Yo, y'all can't race each other unless it's like a real race.
And I clicked 3, 4, and I was like, I could look for him. But when I clicked, I heard him go, what the hell? And I'm like this, looking at each other the whole time. And then when we got done, he's like, that had to be like a negative -0. And I was like, we went red. He was like, I think we both did. I was like, there's no way we went red. I was like, I never seen a red light. He's like, I seen red. I know I went red. I was like, I didn't see no red.
Yeah, just it counts.
Yo, you see the mile an hour?
Same.
Identical.
8 and yeah, that's crazy, dude. But just you didn't have that.
Nah, they cannot race each other.
No, unless it's like it ends up like that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so the difference is me and you. If I get in your car, it's 24-20.
Yo, so the guy, I let go. I can't see the chute because I want to move the chute. I want to it's too hard to reach. I hit the switch panel before.
So give us a minute here.
Oh, it's just too close.
Yeah,
So
it's
the
like
switch
right
panel's
there.
here.
The guy, so on the brake, the chute finally opens, when the chute starts open, it's like this, blue, like this.
Bello's actually got the high mile per hour right now. That's right. Of the qualifying set.
After that, it started bouncing, so I started looking for Rob. I'm like, I don't want to hit Rob. Rob comes through, and then we go. Then I settle the car, and I see the guy. He's like this. What's up, bro?
I literally just show up. I'm walking in and I said, and Jayson Bello's at the end of the track, and I was like, oh,
No, the guy's like this at first, right? To slow down.
So if Rob would have went this way, he would have hit him.
He would, or me. So I'm looking at Rob. I'm like, what's this Rob gonna do?
Yeah.
And then I'm looking at this guy. Is this gonna move?
He ain't moving.
He wasn't moving. He was like this,
no.
like that the whole
I bet
time.
he was pissed.
Don't be in the the track. He was in the middle of both lanes, but I don't know what Rob's doing. I don't know what Rob's turning in on.
Rob's gonna turn his.
You want me to drive? You have the strap. What's wrong?
I don't have juice like that.
Oh, so I'll drive it.
Oh, okay, let's go.
I'll drive it. If it doesn't have juice, I'll drive it. It's not that it's hurt. And the car's pulling. It was pulling to the wall, so I was like this. Yeah. Hey. We'll check the GoPro.
So today was just qualifiers. Jose, what's on the agenda for the rest of the day?
Put the car away. Get some food. You have to bleep a lot.
I'm hungry.
You have to bleep a lot of. Anytime you interview me, you gotta bleep a lot of.
That's funny.
You know they say people that curse a lot are the most honest people in the world.
Yeah? I mean, I guess you don't hold back.
I don't.
Anything you're gonna say, you're gonna say.
Yep. Let's go watch whatever's left.
He's looking at me, and I'm like, and then he's like, and I'm like, gotta go that way. And then we look forward, and the guy in the middle. So he didn't know where to. He thought he was gonna get killed.
When we went 2 years ago, that motherfucker was like this the whole time.
He got stuck because he's doing that. But the problem is, we're both coming to him, so he didn't know he couldn't get out of the way.
I couldn't turn.
Just run straight forward.
I didn't turn because I didn't know where he was gonna go.
I was just trying to get slow enough so I could tuck him behind his shoe.
Yes.
And once he went out in front of me, I was like, and I threw them off the track.
Yeah. I have those tiny brakes. Don't stop. Yours stop. Those don't. Those don't. I was on him like this.
You got a tire on the back of yours, and he don't. So when we're going down, the whole time he's going. It sounded like a hurt dog. It was like.
He was hurt.
That was a good race. The mile an hour is identical the whole way through the slip. The only reason the ET is off is because we both pushed it.
Pop, show him how to do it. Show him how to get in the seat. Show him.
Well, second gear also lit up on your car.
Bro, you lit it up. Lit it up.
It was weird because I waited. Like I felt like it was in traction.
He got, you double mold and then you try to go a little bit more and you lost all your
All the brakes.
I knew it was over that.
I almost killed somebody. That.
I almost got it to the old man.
It was him. He was in the He's like, you should pull your chute sooner. I tried. In this car, I gotta put it like where you have it. It's like perfect. It's right here, like that. That one, it's right here by my switch panel. So when I go reach for it, I hit the switch panel.
I almost want to do like Cletus has it.
Oh, yeah, by the shifter. Yes, it's like right there.
Cletus has it down here. It's pretty nice actually. Because you don't have to go do this. You just kind of put it down.
Let's just spray it.
It should, bro. It's terrible the track right now, bro.
You lit second up hard.
I'm only doing 1-2. I ain't trying to put 1,400 horsepower down to third.
It's gonna shift the whole rear end out.
So Marc performance, Mitchell?
Kill second gear. The car's fast.